So you might be trying to figure out how to go ahead and use the Chick-fil-A application. Now, the Chick-fil-A app is very basic to go ahead and start using. So it's not too much to kind of keep in mind here. It's pretty basic, and I'll show you exactly how to use it. Now, number one, the very first thing to keep in mind here is that the application can be downloaded on iPhone and Android. Just type in Chick-fil-A, and you'll be able to find it. This is what it looks like. So what we can do is once you go and open it up, the first page will almost always tell you the menu and the pickup or delivery if you want to go ahead and start ordering. So that's kind of the first thing. You can click on start to pick up order. You can go ahead and start the pickup process. So you can go ahead and pick up your device whenever you want to, pick up your sandwiches and fries, whatever you order. That's basically the first tab. So you can click on either pickup or delivery. The second tab is going to be rewards. So if you ever have enough points to go through and buy things at Chick-fil-A, you can go through and get rewards. You get points. You get 10 points for every dollar you spend. So if you spend, $20, $30, you get these free things. You get 400 to 600, you get these things, so on and so forth. So within the rewards panel, as you start to, earn more points, you'll start to go through and get more free things, which is actually really cool. So go through, every time you go into Chick-fil-A, you can scan your, code to get more points, and you scan those things via this middle portion. So if you want to scan it, you can go through and you can basically start redeeming your points every time you go into Chick-fil-A. So you can go through, scan your particular code, and that will allow you to go ahead and basically start getting access to these particular things. So you can get those free things from Chick-fil-A just by going through here and just scanning your code, which is actually really cool. So you can start to do that, and that will start redeeming more points and start, adding more points to your particular, account. This For You page right here will just show you different things within your account. So there's this new Code Moo game, which is really cool. It gives you free Chick-fil-A, I think on Tuesdays or something like that. So you can go through right here and you can go ahead and play this Code Moo game, and that will allow you to get more free things within Chick-fil-A, which is really cool. And then the last one, which is your orders. If you've ever ordered anything at Chick-fil-A, you'll go ahead and start to see all those orders come up within this Chick-fil-A page, and that's basically all you're going to have to do. You'll see all that stuff come up right here. It's really cool, it's really awesome, and that's another thing you can basically start doing here as well. So that's basically how you use the Chick-fil-A application. Like I said, it's pretty basic, it's super cool to see, and that's essentially how you go ahead and use it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.